Hello and welcome to Enthusiast Auto House and our 1999 Porsche Boxster. This example has 43,000 miles. It's a manual transaxle, clean CarFax, clean title, beautiful shape all around. It's Arctic silver metallic over a Boxster Red Leather interior. Nice matching tires at all four corners. Inside is nice and tidy, and it has a color matched center console. The dash is all in nice shape. All of the gauges work properly. Good heat, good AC, factory stereo. Door cards and seats are all nice. Headliner's in good condition. All around, just a lovely example for a great price.